We've got a killer 1969 Mustang Mach 1 fastback. This thing is exceptional. The body, the paint, the fit, the finishes, even underneath is all redone. Primered floors. I believe it to be a rust-free car always. It now has a 5-speed with a performance-built 351 under the hood. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can see 200 classic cars, all with price tags and monthly finance payment information as well. That's at volocars.com. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. All right, the body's in excellent shape. I mean, it's straight, it fits right. Tops of the fenders are straight. All the body lines are spot on. The gaps are like a Lexus, smooth all the way down. Both sides of the car. Look at that, lines up spot on. Shuts like a new car. The roof absolutely straight. Coming down the sail panels. It's got the scoop right here. It's just such a good looking car. Aside from being excellent quality, just the shape of everything. Look at the fenders, the hood, the roof, the quarter panels. Look how they bulge out. It's just awesome. I'm not even a Ford guy, and I love the 69 Mach 1. All of this fits real nice. See how it flares up like a little dovetail? The trunk lid lines up all nice and square. Beautiful. Laser straight, no door dings, no dents. I don't see any bubbles. I don't see any cracking, shrinkage, waves. It's all fantastic. Both doors shut like new. Sport mirrors. All this is looking great. The paint, Acapulco Blue, laid out evenly. All the metal flake, everything's laid out. It's all the one color. There is a chip that's touched up right here on the edge of the hood. It is polished like a mirror finish. Again, from the rockers to the roof, it's smooth like glass. It has the blackout treatment on the hood with the scoop. It's looking really nice. No issues or problems with that. Then, of course, has the Mach 1 decals down the side and on the trunk. Looks like pretty much all of the chrome and trim is replaced. All the window moldings are shiny. Door handles are replaced. All the trim, bumpers, marker lights. Check out the 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels. They are sparkling. Wrapped in BFGoodrich tires, extra wide in back. Has a bit of an aggressive stance, jacked up a little bit in the back. New windshield, new weather strips. Decked out with spoilers, louvers. Has a front spoiler as well. Yeah, the emblems, the gas cap, all looks really nice and sharp. So yeah, that's the outside of the car. It's got the hood pins. Why don't we open it up, see if the inside lives up to the outside. I'm really liking this car. Let's open the trunk, see what we find. Okay, under the trunk lid, look at the gloss. Look at the reflection. It looks like someone wet sanded and buffed it. New latches, new weather strip. And inside's all painted beautifully. Has the reproduction mat. Underneath the mat, you'll find a brand new gas tank. So yeah, real nice, clean trunk compartment. Go to volocars.com to check out all the neat stuff we have and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And click the bell icon so you're notified when these videos are posted. We post a lot of great stuff. All right, the jambs are painted as slick as the car, new shiny sill plates. We said the weather strips are replaced, fit real nice. Door panels, it's a deluxe interior. Door panels are molded, all new, all fitting real nice. It's a real, no, it's a dash cover, the plastic cap, so it must have had some cracks in the dash. All the wood grain and instruments look good. That looks to be original. Has a original AM radio. The heater controls look nice. Does have the clock over here, although the lens is pretty cloudy. There's our inspection sheet saying what we've done to the car. Lights work by the kick panels. Nice fitting carpet with Mach 1 floor mats. New seat belts front and back. And then right here we skipped over the best part. Nice Hurst shifter with a 5-speed. Now the seats, they've been all rebuilt. Look how tight that is, like a drum. All new cushions, which feel real good. And when you have all new cushions, the upholstery fits right too. Okay, where's the lever? There we go. Same thing in back. All reupholstered, new seat belts, the plastic trim, the rear shelf, all that's looking real good. The interior lights work. Headliner has been replaced, along with what looks like new visors. The mirror looks good, but it looks like a corner piece of the trim's missing. Upgraded walnut steering wheel. So yeah, it's a nice interior. It does have an oil pressure, no, water temperature gauge mounted down below there. Yeah, there is no water. Yeah, there is a water temperature gauge in the dash. Maybe it's not working, so they hooked up that one there. When Michael takes you for a test drive, he'll explain to you the service we've done to it. You can also go to our website. Right on each car, we list the service that we had to do in our shop. So it's a 351 Windsor engine, fresh build. There's not many miles on this car at all. It's just too clean and fresh. Has AFR aluminum heads. I think it's Advanced Flow Research. Edelbrock aluminum intake, dual feed Holley carb with electric choke. You can see it has some nice Ford Racing valve covers, fat plug wires, and air cleaner. It's an MSD ignition system. But look at the whole engine bay. Look how clean. Look at all the spot welds. So I'm saying I think this has always been a rust-free car. This is just way too clean. Underneath too, which we'll get to. All the wiring, batteries bolted down. Radiator looks real nice. New water pump. I think we put the water pump on. New Holley fuel pump. And then up front here, you can see it's all nice and clean. New horns. Does have headers. And then look up underneath the hood. All beautiful blue paint, aside from some water spots that wipe off. All new nuts and bolts, new hinges. So now Michael's going to take you for that test drive and show you how things function and tell you about our shop service. See you in a little bit. So underneath is a dandy. Dandy, how's that for an old word? All beautiful, clean floors. I believe they are original rust-free floors, torque boxes, spot welds. Either someone was a genius that put new floors in, or that's clean, original. There's no undercoat under the car. It's all painted that red oxide primer, and then everything looks like it was rebuilt. All the front end steering and suspension all redone. The rear suspension, it is upgraded with frame connectors that tie the front to the back that keeps the car from twisting. It does have some tubular traction bars under the back. And it has gas shocks all the way around. The brakes are all redone. It is disc in front. You look up at the motor, it's like brand new. The 5-speed is a Tremec that was put in there. Drive shaft is rebuilt. The fuel system, like we said earlier, is rebuilt. Nice custom exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. And that's it. Sorry for rubbing my face. I still have a nerve condition. It hurts. But go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered, how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.